Well, we ain't getting nothing out of City Gear. Dang, had Nathaniel in there. Nathaniel. So, I don't even know if there's another shoe store over here. Not for athletic shoes, for tennis shoes and stuff like that. So, what we're gonna do, we'll just keep our eyes peeled for that. Ride it around real quick. But we're gonna have to come on, man. The shoes that she want
was too high.
Was a little pricey. And
that's all my money, really.
And she we trying to get her schooling together as far as buying some $200 shoes. I ain't buying $200 shoes
Build a bear
with a $40 report card. I ain't doing that. I ain't gonna say $40 report card, but it ain't where I want it. So, with that being said, we ain't ready for the $200 shoes yet. College Station.
College Station?
What is that? It's a bunch of college stuff, like, you know, shoes.
Jerseys.
Yeah.
We going in there?
No, we're not. We have no reason to go in. So, what time is it? 5 o'clock. Yeah, so, no, that's Macy's.
Oh.
Well, it used to be Macy's, they ain't done no more. Oh, boy. So, I guess now, find something to eat or something. Let me call Ash and see what she wanna do. And maybe we'll have them meet us, or maybe not. And I might just go in, cause you ain't gotta have no cake with happy birthday on it, do you? So I might just go and buy a cake. And
no, I don't. I don't have to.
And
That good chocolate cake.
you don't even want no. Who said something about a chocolate cake?
No,
Didn't I get a chocolate cake and didn't nobody eat it? Or was it a vanilla cake I got?
I think it was a vanilla cake. I did.
You ain't eat it, you left it there. Talking about you want a chocolate cake. That was you. You want a chocolate cake. My hair just bagged out like ain't nobody even come. He just bagged out. You know, Chevy Cruise. But anyway, yeah, man, let me call Ash right quick and see what's up. Shall get back on the camera with y'all in a minute. I know y'all can't see me right now.
Right now.
You know what I'm saying? But, like, I don't think I never put this on the channel. I don't think. But there's this house, man, that this house right here is motivation to me, like, to do better. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take my girl. I'm taking my girls with me to show them this house. Man, this house is so big. Right up the street from my house. This house so big, man, like, yeah. Like, man, if I had this house, dog, like, this is my motivation right here. I'm gonna show you how this junk.
That's not even big.
But I think Jesus live at this house. I think God live here for real. And everybody I show this house, so I tell them that. But, like, man, look at this house. Can y'all? Let me see if y'all can see it. Oh yeah, y'all can see that. Let the window down. I got a little tint on these windows. Man, look at that. Man, that is a big, beautiful house, man. And I ain't gotta have all of that, you know what I'm saying? But like, if I was blessed to even have some of this right here, man, like I'd be cool. Like look at that, man. Them folk got, I think that over there, I think that right there is a guest house over there. And then they got the garages back, and then they got where they can drive through. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, this motivation to me. Like I come out here all the time, sometimes just sit. You know what I'm saying? Just look. I got a fountain in their yard and everything. Like, man, I love to have this house, man. Like, for real.
I mean,
like,
that house over there would be bad.
Yeah, that house ain't bad either. Like, I'm pretty sure this one got a balcony on the back. And see, the thing, what caught me is, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all see how, like, the garage, how high the ceilings is on the garage back there. So he probably got a man cave in it. Like, everything like it's upstairs and everything. Like, I love it. I love this house, man. I always come out here, like this right here is my thing. Like this is my motivation right here. I come out here right down the street from my house. That reminds me of how close I am to getting what I want. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's literally right down the street from my house. So I come out here, sit out here for my 5-10 minutes or whatever. Look at it. Imagine me putting in the driveway, imagine it being in my house. And I know his house is bigger or whatever. I don't just need no real big house. I know his house is bigger. But this right here is motivation to me. I look at this house right here and be like, yeah, I can see myself with that. And I wouldn't need nothing else. So yeah, man, that's what I want. I want to share that with y'all. I want to share that with my kids. I don't think I ain't never bring y'all over, right? No, I ain't never bring them over. So I wanted to share that.
Like one of those things that you gotta like put in the key.
Yeah, you gotta put the code in to get in the gate and all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's motivation to me, man. Like that right there. That's motivation. Like, for real. So yeah, man, I just want to share that with y'all. But we better continue with the birthday shenanigans, man. So I hit y'all back in a minute when we got some better lighting. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, y'all. So man, we done came over here to Osaka. Gonna do a little hibachi. Nah, I think it's up. People just came out of there. I'm waiting on Ash to pull up. Go in here, man, and get us some more soccer, man. Turn it off. It's all the way down. So yeah. So man, when Ash don't pull up, I'll pull the camera back out, man. We're gonna go in here, man, eat us a little something for BB birthday. And yeah. It's gonna be good. We're gonna like it. We're gonna love it. Might not get full, but we're gonna like it and we're gonna love it. Oh, fuzzy. Osaka Japanese cuisine. Japanese cuisine. Japanese cuisine. Yeah, where you going? Where you going? This door, right?
Yes.
What's this door? Yeah. I don't even know if that got. Wait, Jordan. They don't even have. They don't even have the hibachi one, do it. What over here?
It look like it.
Yeah, it don't. Don't look like it. I don't know. Don't look like it. But we here now, so gonna make the best of it. I'll ask them when they get over here what they got. Don't look like they got what we want. But let's see.
They act like a 12-year-old.
We had to put it in. Because it comes everybody.
Hey, say what's up.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. So man, we full now. We is full. We finna go to the house. Everybody finna go to bed. And I don't wanna hear nothing from nobody.
Even a phone.
I don't wanna hear nothing.
Nothing. I was gonna hear some silence. And
All I wanna hear is silence.
And crickets.
I don't wanna hear nothing. I don't wanna hear no crickets. I don't wanna hear silence, cause that's too loud.
But how you wanna make the crickets be quiet if
I ain't gonna. I'm gonna be asleep, so I ain't gonna hear none of it anyway. Anyway, man. So yeah, good birthday shenanigans going on for Big BB, and we are about to go home. Happy birthday to BB. Everybody get down in the comment section, man. Tell my Bree, man, happy birthday, man. But yeah. So that being said, I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next one. Big peace out, man. Mr. Ain't, man. We out here.